Hi students! What do you think of Dinosaurs Before Dark so far? This is going to be a great read, isn't it? Once again, you'll need your iPad, a pencil, your Dinosaurs Before Dark book, headphones, and your BridgeQuest notebook. If you don't have your things already, press pause while you go get them. You'll always need these things when you do BridgeQuest, so I'll stop telling you. Next time, make sure you get them before you start. Now we're ready for Chapter 2. First, let's do a before reading poll like you did in Chapter 1. Find the page that looks like this in your notebook. Press pause while you turn to it and play when you're ready to continue. The before reading poll says, seeing a real live dinosaur would be fun and exciting. What do you think about that? Check the box to show if you agree or disagree. If you don't remember what that means, you might need to go back to the Chapter 1 tab and watch that video lesson again. Press pause while you think about your opinion and mark your paper. Press play when you're ready to go on. Now you need to explain your opinion. Maybe you agree and think it would be exciting because no one has ever seen a real dinosaur. Or maybe you disagree. You think it would not be fun because it would be scary. There are lots of other reasons you could agree or disagree. Press pause and put your reasons down on your paper. Press play when you're ready to go on. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about paying attention to vocabulary words. How do you learn new words so that you can understand the things that you read? In school, you might have a list of vocabulary words that goes with what you're reading. These are words that might be new to you, and you should always pay attention to them. Find Part 2 on your page that says Vocabulary. From now on, you'll want to read these words and their definitions carefully before you read your chapter. The definition is the part that tells you what the word means. Reading these first will help you understand the story better. When you come to one of these words in the chapter, look back at this list if it isn't making sense to you. Press pause and read your 3 vocabulary words and their definitions very carefully. While you're reading, you might come to other words you don't know. When you do, write the words on your paper in the section called My New Words. It is important to learn how to use a dictionary to look up definitions for these words so you can understand what you're reading. You can use a dictionary in your classroom or one online. Let's practice using an online dictionary. Let's say that you're reading along and you come to a word you don't know. You aren't sure how to say it, or maybe what it means. On your BridgeQuest page, you'll find a button for the Online Learner's Dictionary. When you tap it, you'll get a box where you can type in the word you don't know. Then tap the search button. You'll see a definition for your new word. Sometimes there are several definitions. You might need to read them all to figure out what the word means in your story. If you want to hear how to say the word, click the speaker button. Don't forget to write your new word and what it means on your paper. Now you're ready to read Chapter 2. I can't wait to see what happens next.